Behold, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very quick video on the unboxing of the Chessnut Pro. We've all been waiting on this board. It's finally about to release to the public, and well, pre-orders are being accepted now, and they should be shipping relatively soon. So here is an unboxing just to show you what to expect. So let me go ahead and open up the box. This is a huge box here, by the way. So this board is a full tournament size board. So anyway, let me go ahead and open this up so you can be greeted with what's in the box here. If I can get this thing open. All right, first of all, you're greeted with the very nice pieces here. Let's take a quick look at some of the pieces here. Very nice, really nice wooden pieces here. Very nice. Check the knight out on this side here. Very nice knight. I'll be doing a much more close-up on those a little bit later, but right now we're just gonna take a quick look at the pieces and just show you what they look like. So this is what you get. You get your USB-C to USB-A connector, quick start guide, all the pieces. Let's go ahead and move these out of the way, see what's coming next. All right, next we have, under here is the board that's protected by this. So let me go ahead and pull this out. See, on it, nothing's under there. Wow, what I gotta say is that this board, let me get this out of the plastic. Wow, this board feels amazing. I mean, this thing feels like you are absolutely holding a piece of wood in your hand, like a solid piece of wood. Wow, this thing feels really good. Let me see if we can get a little close up of it a little bit here. A little bit close up of the wood here, just to show you its LEDs under the wood here. And wow, that is simply amazing here. And just for let me see here. I'm gonna try to get these pieces out. See if we can set the board up really quickly. Pretty amazing stuff. This board is really nice. The pieces feel really good. They're very well, got really good craftsmanship. So got a very good finish on them. Like, take a look at that pawn. That is how smooth the head is on that thing. It ain't super shiny, but it has a nice sheen to it. Wow. I gotta say, this thing feels absolutely amazing. You know, not to take away from any other boards on the market, but again, this thing, you know, Chessnut, every board has their own little superpower, and I think one of Chessnut's superpowers is just how this board is gonna feel in your hands. All right. Take a look at the miter on that bishop there. Very nice. Let's see what else we got here. See what else we got here. And obviously it comes with the standard extra queen, no problem. See what else we got here. Yeah, these pawns are really nice. Everything is really well laid out. I mean, it's just straightforward. It's very minimal. You're just going to obviously this is all you need: the board, the power cord, and the pieces. And one thing I like, again, as always, if you've been watching my channel, you know I like this sort of thing, is that the pieces, the dark pieces, are darker than the square. So this is very good contrast, and the off-white and white pieces are sort of an off-white from the actual board. Let's take a look at that piece here close up. Very nice, very nice. These things got a great finish on them. Okay, put this here, and almost done. Wow, I gotta say, this was totally worth the wait. This is one of them things that, like I said, is, you know, I'm willing to wait for something if it's going to come out polished as this. And man, let me tell you, this thing feels absolutely incredible. And there's just nothing, again, as I can see right now, that feels like this to your hand when you actually, you know, touch it. And wow, the board feels amazing. Pieces feel amazing. And I can't wait to show you all a little bit more about this board.